2,469 square feet, 2 stories, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, 2-car garage, all starting for $341. That tour is coming up next. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working under the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we look all around the Las Vegas Valley at model homes, existing inventory. We talk about real estate. We look at stuff to do all out here in Las Vegas. And hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out today's tour. I really hope you enjoy it. If you're new here on the channel, this is the first time we've met, please consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell notification as I put out new content every Friday. All right, and to get down to it, on today's video, we're gonna head back out to the Northwest Las Vegas Valley. And we're gonna take a look at a model home built by KB Home. This is the third of 5 model homes out there. It's gonna be the largest in the Landings neighborhood. There's 2 neighborhoods, the Landings and the Reserves. And also later in the video, make sure you stick around because we're gonna do a preview to another video I'm gonna release at the same time as this one. We're gonna do a driving tour of up to Mount Charleston. So make sure you stick around for that. Let's go.
And we have landed at the Landings. Today we're taking a look at the 2469. It's the third of 5 models from KB Home out here in Centennial Hills. This home starts at $340,990 and features 2,469 square feet. It's 2 stories, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Out front there, you notice some pavers. Those are included, as well as the front landscaping. The back landscaping will not be included, so please keep that in mind. And the lot premium will be subject to the lot that you choose. So depending on the size, it might be a little bit more expensive. As we walked in, you notice a really nice entryway there. In this particular one that they built out, they opted to have the den downstairs, which we're looking at right now. They have carpet in this den, as well as the 17 by 17 inch tiles through the remainder of the downstairs. Underneath the stairs here, there's a really great storage area. The camera really didn't do this justice, but this goes really deep back there. One thought I had would be kind of cool to make a little cave for the kids. I don't know, I just thought that would be kind of fun. I really thought the decoration that they did on the wall there was really, really good. One thing I really like about KB is their designer that they have decorate their model homes does a really fantastic job. They use a lot of mirrors throughout their homes, makes it look bigger, and they just do a really, really good job. Going back to the flooring, the tiles are only going to be included in the entry, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the laundry room. And the rest of the house will be built out with carpet unless you upgrade that at the design studio. We're into the great room here. It is an open floor plan. Have a really nice contrast in this kitchen. It looks like they're using the standard granite on here. Not my favorite, to be straight up honest with you. I would definitely upgrade that myself. They just use a polished edge on there. I would probably do like a bullnose or something like that. They do have a dual basin sink with Moen faucets included, as well as 30-inch uppers. The height of the ceiling in these models are 8 feet. The appliance package will be Whirlpool appliances. You have an option of either in black or white. You can definitely upgrade those at the design studio if you choose to. Walking behind the dining area, taking a peek into the backyard, just so you get a feel of how big the lots are on this area. Keep in mind that there are 2 different neighborhoods here. We are in the Landings. There's also the Reserves. There are different models for each neighborhood. Each model has 3 different elevations, typically. There is one, I believe, that has 4 elevations. But basically what it boils down to, there is 36 different design choices that you have between the 12 different models. We've come upstairs now. We took a quick look into the laundry room there. It's just a square laundry room. It's going to be gas hookups for the dryer, and there's going to be wire shelving up above the washer and dryer for your convenience. You can upgrade that to cabinetry if you care to. The loft is a really nice size and really a great area for the kids or just to have a family area. Really, really nice. Into the first bathroom here, they have it built out as a full bathroom. You could definitely choose to do a 3/4 bath if you care to. Standard in here would be a single vanity. They have it built out as a dual vanity. You're going to get quartz countertops in all the bathrooms if you don't upgrade that to granite. Coming into the first bedroom here, really nice kids room here. Little walk-in closet there, nice to have. Store all the toys. The HOA in this neighborhood is $40 a month. You're going to get the gate, the common areas, and the streets maintained. And then the last tour I did, it featured Mountain Ridge Skate Park right across the street, which has 7 baseball fields, a skate park, grass area, playground. I'll put a link to that tour up in the top right, as well as some of the other models from this neighborhood, so you can take a look at those as well. These bedrooms are a fair size. They're about 10 by 10, 11 by 11, give or take. Headed down the hall to the biggest of them. This one's definitely a little bit bigger, probably 12 by 12. Nice coloring on the wall there. And hey, if you guys are getting value out of this content, please consider liking the video. It truly helps out the channel and the video a lot. This bedroom does include a really nice size walk-in closet here as well. Again, you got that wire shelving. You could definitely upgrade that. It's super cheap at Lowe's. If you just want to upgrade the shelving alone, you could do that maybe 40 bucks. Super easy. Another thing I'd like to point out about the Montecito neighborhoods is it's super convenient to everything. There's parks, schools, emergency services, shopping, super convenient to the freeway. There's a mass transit center real close by. Basically anything you need, it's right there. Walking into the master here, they have the French doors on the opening there. It's a nice feature to have. Real nice size master here. You got about 15 by 15. And the bathroom here, this was a little tough to film because of that window. The exposure on the camera kept messing up. But in the master, you have a tub included. You have an optional shower. You can upgrade to the super master bathroom if you care to. You're going to get a dual vanity. And basically, there's a lot of different configurations you can do in the KB bathrooms. It's a really nice thing to have. Really great size walk-in closet here. There's a little bit of shelving. I'm going to turn around and show you in a second. If you want to upgrade this, give California Closets a call. You could definitely do that. You could do it yourself fairly reasonably as well. Alright guys, and that's going to about wrap it up for this video. Again, if you enjoyed it, please consider liking the video. And now we're going to head out to Mount Charleston. This is just a preview tour of another video. I'll link up in the cards up above to the top right. So definitely give that a look. Basically, we took a driving tour starting at Sky Canyon and US 95 and drove all the way up to Cathedral Rock and then over to the Lee Canyon Ski Resort. There's a preview of that now. Did a little bit of drone footage here and there also. And lastly, if you guys have any questions about this model home, you want to take a private tour, please contact me. My information is in the description below. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Thanks for stopping by and checking out today's tour. And hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out today's tour of this model home. And hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out this tour of... Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video today. I really hope you enjoy the tour. And if you're new here on the channel, the first time we met, I really appreciate... No. And hey, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. And if you're new here on the channel, and hey, if you're new here and this is the first time we've met, and hey, if this is... And... And hey, if you're new here and this is the first time we've met, I appreciate you stopping by and checking out the channel. I really hope you enjoy this tour. If you do enjoy tours like this, real estate discussion, want to learn a little bit more